What's going on, y'all? Oregon Mountain Predator back at it out here in the mountains, just getting camp set up. It is elk season 2024. I got a rifle tag this year, so we're gonna go try and smack me one. Got my buddy Bo coming out, give me a hand. It's gonna be fun. Been looking forward to it. Need a little bit of time in the mountains. Having me a nice IBC root beer after the trip. Hanging out, getting ready to get set up. Hopefully tomorrow morning's opening day for me, so we're gonna try to go find us a bull. I've got an either sex tag here in New Mexico as a resident, so hopefully we can find a bull. If not, we're gonna find a cow and put some meat in the freezer. You can't eat horns, baby, but if the good Lord blesses me with a good bull, I'm gonna take my chance. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out with Oregon Mountain Predator. As always, I'm your host, John Valenzuela. If you haven't already, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. Hit that notification button. That way when we post videos, you get notified every time we got something going on down here in the southern New Mexico deserts. We're in the mountains right now, but it's still down here in the southern part of the state, so I consider it the desert. Born and raised down here. So hopefully you guys have a great weekend. We'll see how things turn out. For now, catch y'all later, man. That tree all torn up, big old rub. Going on his back. That's what we're looking for, baby. Look and see our stuff. Get an idea how to shoot him. Spotted the first good elk of the trip. Good old bull over here. Oh yeah, that's a great bull.
Got him. Load again. He's right there. In the same spot. It was a little low, but I think it was good. Do you see him?
No,
he's a little bit left, not much. Send it again. Hit him again. Load another. That one was a little far back to the right.
He's still there?
Yeah, he's in the same spot. He hasn't moved. Oh. He went down.
Yeah, baby!
Just stay on him. Oh, yeah, he's dead. He went down.
Bo, I can't tell you fucking thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much, brother. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you coming out here, spending your time. You spotted that fucker for me, dude. Woo!
Oh, he's trying to get up again, actually. He's right there in that clearing again. You see him?
Send one?
Yep, send one. Got him again.
All right, guys, we shot a nice 6x6 this morning. We're walking through the mountains trying to get this fucker packed out. We're getting up to him. It's some rough country, but it is absolutely beautiful in here today. Nice weather, awesome little bottom. My buddy Bo's helping me out with this. We're gonna try to go find him. Once we get up there, we'll keep you guys along for the journey.
Holy crap, bro.
You got him.
Look at that thing.
Bro. Fucking 6x6, man. Dude. Are you kidding me?
Freaking great bull.
Wow, bro. I'm speechless.
Well, guys, elk 2024 was a success, man. I got me a real good 6x6. This bad boy is up here in the sticks, baby. Let me tell you, this is gonna be a pack out from hell, but I can't be more excited about it. The good Lord blessed us with an amazing animal. I'm gonna fill my freezer for the next year, feed my family and my friends. I'm so blessed to be able to come out here and do this stuff, spend time in the mountains, create memories with friends, and to be able to provide sustenance for my family, for me personally, means more than I can put into words. I'm grateful that I get to share this country with these wild critters, and I'm lucky that I have the ability and have been blessed with a successful harvest this season. I'm forever grateful for this, and I'll never forget this hunt. This was so memorable. I'm so grateful for my buddy Bo behind the camera helping me spot, do all this stuff, man. I wouldn't have been able to get this done if it wasn't for him helping me. I would have been out here by myself, just kind of hunting blind. So I'm forever grateful. I definitely owe you some pack outs in the future, my friend.
No problem.
Right now, we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy set up so we can start cutting it up and taking care of this meat. We'll keep you guys along with the process. Thanks for hanging out with Oregon Mountain Predator. We've always got good stuff going on down here in southern New Mexico, so if you haven't already, go check us out on our social media, Instagram and Facebook. Check us out on YouTube. Hit that notification button. That way you can stay up to date with everything we got going on down here in the dusty deserts of southern New Mexico. But until next time, as always, tell your friends, your family you love them. Do something fun, do something you love. We'll catch you on the next one, y'all. Punching the tag, baby. Getting her all put together. That way we can get out of here with this bad boy. Set up. The old 30-06 did the job, baby. Look at that thing. My buddy Bo tearing it up with me out here, helping me pack this stuff out. We got all of this jazz. Look at those bags, baby. And I'm gonna make a rug. Check these bad boys out. Run right across the road. I got a fall turkey tag too.
Where does that start?
Walking up the trail. Gonna go get the rest of my bull out. I found a nice little wallow. Those tracks right there, baby. We're in elk country where the big ones live. Steep. That was down there. Come up here. Got another little bunch of tracks. All in there, baby. Land of the giants. All right, y'all. This is technically our second load, first load of the second day. Heavy packs, baby. Look at that bad boy loaded up. I got the whole hide and the heart with me. We're gonna make a trip out of here and meet up with my buddy Jeremy Flack. He's gonna come help us out, him and his wife coming in clutch. So we're gonna try to get this stuff out of here, get back to camp, baby. Kind of a idea of what we're in. That is straight up. And there it goes. Straight down. Camera angles don't do it justice. This is steep country. All right, pack out. Trip number 2. My buddy Bo is fucking coming in clutch, carrying the weight, man. Packing out heavy, trying to get out of here without falling down and getting hurt. We are on our last trip. Had my buddy Jeremy Flack and his wife come up and give us a hand. They're packing out the first load we took down to the trailhead. I'm gonna meet them at the truck. Beautiful country up here, as you can see behind me. It's an absolute gorgeous day. Beautiful up here in the mountains. Got a little spring coming up out of the rocks. I couldn't ask for a more picturesque scene to be hunting in and find some success, man. I'm forever grateful. I'm gonna definitely owe Bo some pack outs in the future, man. Thanks for hanging out with Oregon Mountain Predator, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos and stay up to date with everything we got going on down here. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be able to do this stuff. So thanks for the view. If you guys want to, you can share my videos or promote them to people you know that like to do some hardcore backpacking and some big mountain hunting. Getting adjusted for the last shot down the mountain. Luckily, most of this is downhill. There's one little section that's a climb, but it's right before the truck, so we should be okay. The mess of success, baby. Packing out heavy. That's the way it goes. Walking out like 2 old men with some canes. We're gonna get there, take all this meat home, enjoy it for the whole next year, baby. Yeah. All right, guys, got camp loaded up. Bo's behind me in the truck. Got that monster in there, baby. We're gonna get out of here. Thanks for hanging out with us this year, 2020. Alright guys, last stop at All Subs before we head out. Got a little bit more ice for the meat. Look at that bad boy. Had an awesome season this year. Couldn't be more grateful, more thankful. Super stoked to continue this hunting career. Hopefully you guys stick around with us. I appreciate the view. Until next time, I'm your host, Sean Valenzuela. This is Oregon Mountain Predator. Catch y'all on the next one. As always, do something fun, do something you love. Tell your friends and family you love them.